Should you prioritize debt payoff or investing? Instead of an opinion, I'm going to show you the exact dollar impact based on real numbers. You have $514,000 in total debt, creating $19,530 in annual interest drag. Your expected investment return is 5.3%, but your credit card debt costs 13%. That gap matters. At your current pace, you'll pay nearly $200,000 in lifetime interest and remain in debt for about 25 years. With an optimized payoff strategy, lifetime interest drops to $66,000 and you're debt-free in 10 years. That's a $133,000 improvement. Not estimated, calculated. Your liquidity is strong, over $1.4 million invested, and a $100,000 emergency fund, so accelerating payoff doesn't compromise stability. Based on your profile, the signal is clear. Prioritize high-interest debt first. Run your own trade-off analysis and see what wins in your numbers. Let your personal CFO compute the difference. app.diymyfinances.com